Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run through tour of our 2018 Toyota CHR Hatchback XL we have new in stock. This is a hybrid vehicle. I'm just going to run through the specification on this particular example we have for sale. Starting with the exterior of the vehicle, the XL model gets you the 18-inch 10 double-spoke design alloy wheels painted in black with the diamond turned facing to a couple of the spokes. You also get the LED adaptive headlights at the front with the daytime running lights, the LED fog lights, the LED rear lights with the sequential indicators, puddle lights, amongst a few interior features. Being the design model, you obviously get the unique body styling with the spoiler at the rear, the sport design front bumpers, the chrome trim inserts that run around the vehicle, and as you can see at the rear, you've got the 60-40 split folding rear seats with a huge amount of boot space available as well. The vehicle does come with the half leather and half fabric seating, with the XL model getting you the heated front seats accessible through your centre console area. You also get a leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel with access to cruise control, the keyless start-stop button, an electronic handbrake on the centre console surrounded by some different driving modes including your EV mode, your gear selector with the leather trim gaiter, a metallic black plastic trim surround. You also have cup holders with ambient lighting, dual zone climate control, and the touchscreen centre display, which gives you access to a decent amount of features including your DAB radio, your satellite navigation, and also the reversing camera. The vehicle does come with the rear cross traffic alert with the automatic braking, Toyota Touch 2 with Go navigation, automatic wipers, auto-retractable heated door mirrors with integrated indicators, amongst a long list of other features. If you'd like to see the full specification, book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.